Yo, why do they move? It'll move back.
Matías. Go, Alan. Now walking.
Wait on Sar.
Nomás uno, Matías.
Estamos. Easy. Alan.
Volteando.
I want you to build the line. Remember lo que les dije.
Ryan, you can drop the fly too. Wider, Benji.
And if it was a level up,
Nick, pinch middle.
it would probably make a bunch of tiny threes along your leg.
Good job, Benji.
Come on, Alan.
Your brother. The team who lost all their games last season. Yeah, feed not me.
Yes, Thiago.
Because they suck.
Quickly.
No. It was 12.
Yeah, 12.
I think that was like the highest score in the league.
Alan. Come on, Alan. Connect the
No, he
passes.
scored less.
Remember last time Group Up?
Alan.
Benji, leave
Connect
the
the
ball.
pass,
Drop
come
the
on.
ball. Aiden, take it.
Diego.
Sar,
I
up.
know lost 13.
Nick,
Pass.
up.
No, but that wasn't in the league.
I can still play on the right.
Yeah. I have a game tomorrow. And there's practice on Monday, so
Yeah.
not a break.
Nick, be ready for the switch. Nick, go.
Yeah, I don't know.
Go on, Sar. Speed on, Sar.
Go, Alan. Second.
Come on, Nick, your ball.
Alan. Quick.
Good job, Ryan. Wait, Ryan. Wait.
Hasta abajo. Drop, Alan.
Aiden, wider.
Matías.
Ryan, drop the
Alan.
play.
Alan, flores.
Nick, wider.
Go, Alan.
Wow.
Alan, está solo, chico, está
So
solo.
far up, give more space to do something, okay?
I mean, it
Go,
could
go, friend. Alan, play middle. Alan, Alejandre.
Aiden, take the kick. Aiden, then
Alan.
back up. Play.
Pass.
And then get
More,
open, Aiden.
more. Why you guys?
Nick, wider.
Alan, stay abajo. Quédate
Thiago,
abajo, Alan.
quickly.
Alan,
Nick.
stay
Run the line.
defense.
Run up.
Go, Diego.
Yeah, Nick.
Go, Diego.
And Benji, be ready. Benji, go.
Go, Diego. Come on, Alan.
Oh, wait,
Nice
why
job,
did
Nick.
they go defense?
Nick, take the throw.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta be quick. They're pressing you quick. Okay, we gotta be quick. The pass out wide is on.
I'm pretty sure
You're doing too slow.
defender is in goal. Mateo has played.
Go, Thiago.
Están los dos ahí.
Nick, Mateo's there. Benji, cross to Benji.
He played for
Matías.
Go that way.
Come on,
They're
Alejandre.
pretty good.
Oh, to Benji.
Alejandre. Come on.
You're not Benji. Be the loose cannon. What kind of? Is it just me or they slow?
Good job, Aiden.
Alan, Alejandre. You're gonna drop two. Come on.
Wait, no.
Get the shade part, bro.
Alan.
It's blue. Back up, Aiden.
Blow.
Tree fort. Curse you, trees. I've seen trees.
Yeah, there's like red.
Yeah, that's a big.
Vamos, están los dos, Matías.
What the?
Matías. Baja. Alejandre, que estás de este lado.
Because Rocky kind of is.
Vamos, están estos dos solos.
Yeah, let's put them
Super
in.
small.
A lot
Go.
of green. Is that an own goal? Or is that own
Aiden. Aiden, look at me, buddy. Look at me. Hey, ref, hands up. All right, go ahead. Aiden, come here, bud. Good, Ronnie. Yeah, I need you a little wider on those. Ryan, on the build out, let's get our defense a little bit wider so not so close to you, okay?
Matías, hay que tocar el balón, hay que tocar el balón.
It is. Shake it out. Okay.
Get you a goal. Fine. Andre, Cyrus, you guys ready to go?
Atrás, Diego. Diego.
Andre, you want to play center mid or play right? Nick, be ready, it's coming.
Hey, yo,
Nick, push up. Oh, no, never mind.
Alejandre.
Thiago, turn around. Thiago, turn around.
Gustavo. Hey, Alejandre.
It's not even at the end.
Vamos, Jaden, vamos, Jaden.
Yo, who is that guy?
Good job, Benji. Go on, Sar.
Come on, Benji! Oh! Let's go, Benji! Come on, Benji!
Baja, baja. Defense.
Yeah! No! Yeah!
Venga, Alejandre.
No!
Thiago up.
Yeah!
Vamos, Alejandro.
Running back.
En medio.
Take it, Thiago.
Con ganas, Alejandre, con fuerza.
Go, abre Matías. Matías, abre Matías.
Eso.
Yeah!
Go.
Vamos,
Jaden.
Jaden, ahí.
On, Sar, get back a little bit, bud.
One touch shoot, and it was gonna go in.
Diego, look.
Good job, Ronnie.
No vayas, Diego. No, go, Diego.
Sorry, Trees, but I still curse you!
Come on, Alejandre.
No. Use it
Nick, get
against
wide.
them. You know how to beat this strategy?
Yes, Nick, fine.
Use it.
Come on, Nick. He's going to push you. Be ready. Be ready. Yes, Nick, your ball. Yes, Mateo. Nice, Mateo.
Buena, Diego.
Take it, Thiago. Got it.
Estamos.
Benji, be ready for the cross. Nick, hit that cross. Let's go, Nick. Nick, hit that cross.
Vamos, Fernando.
Nice idea, Nick. Nice idea. Nice try. Go, Nick. Yo, here. Nice try, Ansar. Nice try.
Alejandre.
Are you guys ready?
Listo.
Busca el espacio, manda, Yuga.
Buena, Diego. Buena,
Abre,
Diego.
Gustavo.
Vamos.
Ryan.
What?
Alejandre, you guys stay. Alejandre, follow my instructions, look.
Play, Ryan.
Go,
You drop it.
Go, Alan.
One time missed like by 5 feet.
No corriendo, Nacho.
Go, bro. Ansar, Thiago.
Alejandre.
You're gonna go, Cyrus. You're gonna go left. Nick, can you go to the right mid? Mateo, can you go left back? Go center mid left. Yeah, center forward.
Gustavo.
Ronnie, you can push up. Ronnie, you can push up.
Presiona. No vayas, no, Diego, si vas a ir, ve.
Good job, Mateo. Find it. Press, come on, get your body.
Mándalo,
Good try.
Alan.
Hey, ref. Thank you.
Alan.
Good job, Cyrus. Push up, push up. Leave it, leave it, leave it. Leave it.
Atrás.
Right there's good, right there's good. Play Benji. Play Benji. Play Benji. Play
Juan,
Benji.
Matías, estamos esperando el balón.
There it is.
Why did you so fast?
Good job, Nick.
Why did you so fast? Cameron.
Let's time this up.
No, I
Vamos, 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 no pasa nada, vamos, guys.
Elias, let's go, boys. Let's go. Good job, Mateo. Cyrus, let's see the ball.
Arriba, fuerte. Arriba, la. Go, Alejandre.
Stay in front, stay in front, stay in front. Be fine. Stay in front.
Lo que sufre.
Yes, Mateo. Good job, Ronnie. On the ground.
Ya, Matías, good job. Buen trabajo.
Ya no estoy silenciando.
Let's get it back, boys. Let's get it back.
Concentrado, concentrado.
Let's try and stay in front there, Ronnie. Good try, buddy. It's a little awkward.
Ya, ya, Alejandre.
Up there.
Fuerte. Bien. Venga, Alan.
Ryan, talk. Good, good, Andre. Take it, Cyrus. Good. Good, Ronnie. Ay. Come on, guys, get it out.
Alejandre. Hay que bajar. Baja, Alejandre. Alejandre. You gotta go, come on.
Well done, Nick. Ronnie, take it. Ronnie, your ball. Nick, push up.
Baja.
Cyrus, go. Cyrus, go.
Matías.
For me. It's gonna be mine.
Bravo, Gustavo. Hey.
Aiden, you ready? Come on.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Please.
I like
please
it.
let
I'm
me
sorry. I
back
like
in.
it. I like it. It's on your turn, bro. I like it.
Please.
So, bro.
Azules, azules.
Nick. Good job, Nick. Good job, Nick. Go, run all the way over there. Run all the way over there. We need you. Come on, wake up.
Wake up.
Fantastic. I love it. Come on, Cyrus.
You're sitting on some
Come on, Alan.
Where's
Ronnie, take it. Benji, leave it.
jacket?
Aiden, right midfield. Midfielder, up there. Up, up.
Atrás, Diego.
Go, Gustavo.
And guess what? Google Maps.
Come on, Alan. Come on, Alan.
Vamos, Alan, vamos, Alan.
But then a minute later,
Aiden, up.
I saw Coach Cameron. He doesn't look like he can't.
Well done, Cyrus. Well done. Aiden, take the kick.
Alan.
Alan, Alan.
Go, quick. Arriba.
Who's this? Yeah, como yo.
Stay in front, Mateo. Stay in front. Stay in front. Stay in front.
Ya está, ya, Matías.
Yeah, body.
Corre, corre, llévatela.
Ronnie, help. Well done, boys. Good defense. Mateo, instead of going for the ball there. Mateo, instead of going for the ball there, you got to run with him, okay? Ronnie, passing, get wider.
Matías,
Get wider.
están los dos juntos
Good.
ahí.
Hey, listo, Alan.
Oh my
Vamos,
God.
Alan,
Ryan,
vamos,
what did
Alan.
that do? Ryan. You can't have that, buddy.
Alan, are you keeping releasing those?
Let's try again, boys. Try again.
Gustavo, Matías,
Dale,
mira,
tres
mira.
vamos allí.
Sende, para arriba.
That's right. It's Andre. Get
Mira,
on,
send
get
the
on.
pass, Alejandro.
Turn.
Send the pass.
Go in and run. Go, Andre.
Go, Jaden.
Jesus.
Eren. Come on.
Vamos, Alejandro.
He's
Vamos,
coming, he's coming,
Alejandro.
he's coming hard.
Ven,
Good try, Andre.
para arriba. No, nunca para el medio.
Matías, quédate.
Yes, sir.
Alejandro, le están dando la chance a Alejandro a él.
Oh, Matías.
Vamos, Matías, vamos, Matías.
Use Andre. Use Ryan. Use Ryan. Ryan, talk to him.
Vamos, Matías.
Take your time.
Puedes
Take your
para
time.
más.
All right, Ryan, drop it. Play. Benji, go. Benji, go. Ryan, who are we passing to? Ryan, I need you to settle down.
Alejandro.
Make a good pass.
Alejandro.
You
Mira,
can do it.
otra vez.
Drop it. Find
Gustavo,
Benji.
mira. Gustavo.
Good, Ryan. Better.
No vayas a
Ay. Ref. That's very dangerous. Player safety, please.
Oh, hell no.
Cyrus. Aiden, Cyrus.
Hey, pásate. Diego, pégate. Diego.
No way.
Go, Gustavo.
Mateo, you're too far back. Cyrus, wide.
Ven, Matías.
Man on. Good, Ronnie.
Sende, Gustavo.
Come on, Cyrus. Come on, Cyrus.
Sende, Gustavo.
Come on, Cyrus. Yeah.
Gustavo, sende.
Good job, Cyrus. Good job. That's our kick.
Hey, hold it. Alan.
Mateo can take it. Cyrus, push up. Up, guys. Right there. Right there.
Arriba, Gustavo. Gustavo.
Come on, Cyrus. Man on. Block, Andre.
Línea. Alan. Wait.
Play the middle.
Be fast.
Nice job, Cyrus.
Alan.
Cyrus. Andre, Benji. Thank you, ref. Hey guys, we're too many people here. Play, still in. Still in.
Come on, Alan. Lock in right there.
Nice, Andre.
Más para allá. No para allá.
Good job, Mateo. Go kick.
Corner kick.
Julian.
Corner kick.
Corner kick, guys.
Send it, Alan. Corner kick.
All right, guys, he called corner. Let's mark up. Cyrus, right here, 40. In front of him, Cyrus. In front of him.
Warm up. Hey, do the warm up.
Good, Mateo.
Listo, Diego.
Vamos, Alan.
Nice job, Ryan.
Alan.
All right, Thiago, I'll start. Come on.
Nando, concéntrate acá.
Take up.
Yeah, Randy. He's going bigger than I Bro, Jaden is always cooking, bro.
Mateo, the middle.
Bro, he's the next
Mateo, the middle.
No, because he's a lefty. He didn't become the new.
Vende, Matías, de este lado.
Pásala, Matías, pásala.
Matías, tienes el día cubierto.
Oh, you should have got
¿Cómo estamos?
Ramos number. Yeah. 4? That's 5 out of 10. Andres should have gotten the. Andres, you should have gotten the Sergio
Go,
Ramos.
ref. Benji, Cyrus. Benji, so.
No, you didn't. No. Wait, that is
Alan.
Lenny, what's that? What's my girl's name? Was it Glaze?
Gustavo.
Better, Ryan. Better job, Ryan. Nice job.
Pasa, Alan.
Exactly, Ben.
Go, Thiago. Tail up. Let's tail up. Ronnie, back. I think so. Benji, don't do that.
Oh yeah, my dad.
Go, Benji. Go. Go, guys. Press.
Press!
Ansar, help him. Build that line. Build that line.
I'll show you after the game, right? Isn't it 2-3? Dad, is it 2-3?
Vamos, Alan, vamos, Alan.
What do you
Gustavo.
Ryan.
Gustavo, don't stop.
Play, Ryan, play.
Get up, get up. This time, body.
Ansar, get up there.
Vamos, Matías.
Good job, Mateo.
I mean, they'll probably
Ronnie, we have to decide whether or not he's open. If he's open, play it. If there's a defender there, we can't play that pass. Ansar, stay up. Ansar,
No, you
Suelta y tienen que llegar con ganas a patearla.
hold that Aiden.
No, if they try to get you like this, like,
Baja, regresa. Vamos, vamos, va.
wait.
Vamos.
Simple, Ryan, simple.
Yes.
Good. One more. Period. Yes, Thiago, go on, Ansar. Make the run.
Vamos, Gustavo, con el gol. Dennis.
Good, Mateo. You got time.
There's like 3 minutes left in the half.
Still in, come on. That's our flight. Play.
Vamos, Diego.
Vamos, Diego.
Take the ball. Ansar, run. Quintero, go.
Girls did not even hear my.
Ansar, come on, that's your ball.
Hey, Jaden.
Thiago again. Thiago, go. Ansar, leave it.
I was watching that.
Ronnie, come back in the middle a little bit.
And I was watching it like, oh, that guy hard.
Hey, take it, Quintero.
Nicky, you were there when I
Abajo,
did that.
pateala.
That guy went night.
Yes, Ronnie.
That guy went
Quintero, up. Thiago, up. Let's go, Aiden.
That guy went night. Remember the P1 dude?
Alan.
That guy went night. Go! Left foot! It was left foot now! Look, Ryan.
Aiden, good pass.
The guy went
Ansar, let's take a touch and a shot next time.
Or maybe
Hey,
it was
Quintero,
just
wide, build that line, Quintero. Up. Andre, slide over.
It wasn't a good goal. The goalie sucked at that one. That was better than
Vamos,
Nicky's save.
Matías.
That was better than Nicky's save.
Arriba, Matías.
Nicky, that save was better. That save was better than your save.
Vamos,
Yeah,
Alberto.
he sucked even more. Yeah. No! They passed to their goalie. It's a penalty.
It's a wet.
Aiden, push up. Up. Nick, up. Nick to the white line.
Diego.
Up.
with the neck. It's gonna have backspin on
Go,
it.
Eddie. Go, Diego. Arriba, Diego.
Look at it.
Diego.
It's not the choppy kind. Yeah, we're the sword right now. We're the sword.
Yes, Andre. Good job, boys. Good pressure. Nick, you ready for the switch?
Well, do you want to slay?
Mateo up on 7.
Hey, you don't hit the whistle. Go, Gustavo.
Oh, God. Yes!
Mateo, you gotta keep playing. He can't see it. You gotta keep playing. Nick, you ready? Look at Nick. Nick, go to the ball. Yes, Nick. Switch it. Cross it.
Go, Diego. Don't let it send it.
Come on, Benji.
B.O.G. Andre.
Nick, hit that cross sooner.
Yeah, you know. B.O.G.
Yes, Benji, turn. Go, Benji, go.
Come on, Rob.
Time. Now, man.
Go, use the face, Alan.
A little quicker, Nick, a little quicker. Good job, Mateo. Uh-oh. Yes, Thiago. Good job, Ryan. Nick, go. Nick, keep running. Switch.
Baja.
Good job, Nick. Let's get it, Nick. Let's get the ball. Let's get another switch. Let's get Ryan wide open. Andre, run through the corner.
I wish it was 12-0.
Man on.
I was sad.
Go to the
Get out,
ball.
Gustavo. Kick it out, Gustavo.
Well, you're sad that they scored on you and people.
Go, Alan.
Thiago.
Go, stop.
Yes, Thiago! Run him over with your hand, boy!
Good job, Thiago.
Yo, can you do the whole thing now? 14 town.
Wide, Benji. Look at Benji. Run the corner, Benji. Come on, Nick.
Go, Alan.
Come on, Nick.
Go,
Hit that cross.
Go. Hey, back up. Go, drop.
Mateo, up.
Here. You're gonna drop. One, you guys gonna drop.
Nice try, boys. Andre, go, press.
Arriba en la baja, Fernando.
¡Vamos, Matías!
Of course he does. Why would he know that song?
Outside.
Alan, watch your outside.
He didn't sing that song when he was playing tonight.
Thiago, take it right there. Hayden, get open.
¡Están juntos, pues!
Tomato Town. I like
Thiago, simple.
Tomato Town.
Nick, get open.
I like
Nick, help.
Come on, Hayden. Go. Drop. Go, Matias. Drop. Continue. Anderson, go.
¡Anderson!
Keep going! Oh, this is...
Yes, we do a little player safety.
¡Anderson! ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso?
Nick, you can take it.
Girls too bad to miss it.
Remember he was just playing basketball. He was playing
Who did that? That was my...
Venga, venga. Vuelta.
Nick,
Anderson.
you gotta try and hit that.
Play
Your back foot.
defense. Anderson.
No, Ryan, no, Ryan, goal kick. Ryan, stop. Ryan, Ryan, it's a goal kick. It's a goal kick.
We're 2 days short. That's what
Nick, go.
Hasta arriba.
Hasta arriba, hasta arriba. Llega, hasta arriba.
Go, Nick, let's go.
Llega, ¿qué es eso? Hasta arriba.
Alliance, let's go right now. Let's go. Nick,
You like that?
Nick, all the way to where the circle is, where the white lines meet. Go to where the white lines meet.
Oh, my baby. Baby dog. For the sniper.
Corriendo, corriendo, guys.
Yeah.
Hey,
Hey, push up. Up, 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 up.
Good job, Benji.
Diego, you gotta go up.
Oh, we couldn't tie it.
Mateo, Mateo. Up.
Hey, abre, Alan. Open up, Alan.
If we tie this, everybody flip. Everybody flip.
vamos, Matías.
Everybody flip this back.
Go, Diego.
Yeah.
One more.
Score another goal.
Go, Alan. Don't let it. Go, Alan. Let's go, Alan. No foul, no foul. Now, send it. Go, go.
Stay in,
Go,
stay
Alan.
in.
Go,
Andre,
Alan.
talk, Andre, talk.
Alan.
Matías, vamos a hacerla, ustedes pueden. Vamos a hacerla.
Arriba, Alan.
Nick, go.
Arriba, Alan. Get the ball, go. Go, 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 go.
Use Mateo, use Mateo.
Go. De este lado, Matías, de este lado.
Keep going, keep going.
Vamos, no sale.
Ryan, make an angle. Cyrus.
Yeah!
So, bro. Nick. Ryan, go to right. Cyrus, go left.
Okay.
Good job, Nick.
Oh yeah, Cyrus.
Nice job, Nick. Nice job. Good goal. That crossed a little quicker, though. That was really good call. Ryan, pitch in the middle. Ryan, pitch in the middle right now. On defense. Well done, Mateo. Yes, Cyrus. Go, Ryan. Go, Ryan. Thiago. Ryan, that's it. That's it. Benji, play that ball in front of Ryan. Slide the other way. Cyrus.
Vamos, Matías.
Good, Ryan. Good, Andre. Oi. Good job, Andre.
Look at his hair. It's messed up. I know, Barney, yours is even more messed up.
Vamos, azules, vamos, azules.
You don't flush the football.
Hey, Mateo, you gotta slide your foot. Slide your back foot. You're lifting it.
Fernando.
Keep that over the
Concentrado,
middle.
esos goles no pueden ser, mijo. Pues no pueden ser. Tienes que estar concentrado.
Yeah. Mateo, try it. All sides, guys. All sides over there, Mateo.
Volteando, volteando.
Cyrus, wide. Closer, Cyrus, closer. Yes, Benji. Oh, no.
Dale, Matías, fuerte.
Vamos,
Ryan, be ready. Ryan.
Vamos, Alejandre.
Nice, nice. Ryan, you take it. Benji, the line. Benji, run the line. Run the line. Run now. Run now. Go, Benji, go. Again, Benji. Good, Cyrus, too. Cross it, cross it. Oh. Good, Ryan. Good, Ryan. Go, okay, guys. Ryan, good job. Back up, Quintero. Back up, back up. Cyrus, play Cyrus. Harder. Mateo, it's okay. Next time. All right, Ronnie, you ready?
Lazy bones, time to go in.
Mateo, get wider.
One of you guys.
Ronnie's such lazy.
Abre, ala.
Vamos, Matías.
Go, Griff. Mateo. Good job, Mateo.
What can you do? 10 minutes and then the whole. Yeah, you're not here.
Vamos, Matías.
Let's go, Aiden.
They're gonna shoot more so.
Vamos, Alan. Vamos, Alan.
Yes, Andre.
No te metas, Jerry. Vamos, Matías. Mirando, volteando la cabeza para arriba, volteando atrás, compañero.
Up, up. Ronnie, Aiden, up. Up, go. Good, Ryan. The ball, Ryan, the ball.
No se metas, Matías, no se metas, Matías.
Good job, Ryan. Dribble. Unlucky, Ryan. Unlucky, Ryan.
Están dos allá.
Entro, ala.
Well done, Aiden. Up, boys, up. Aiden, Ronnie, up. Let's go, Lions. We got it. Come on.
They're in second.
Ronnie, take it.
No. Alan, Flores. Play defense.
Vamos, Gustavo.
No.
Vamos, Ala. Vamos, guys. Viene. Vamos, Ala.
Tripe. On the ground, Fernando, on the ground.
Play,
Hey,
play,
hey,
play,
go
get
on.
Yes, Andre!
Ayúdale, eso.
That's white. Ronnie, take it. That's white. Oh, yeah. Jesus.
Matías,
Ronnie, take it.
Matías.
Ronnie, take it. It's white throw. Oh, yeah. Ref, what's happening? You call the foul throw, right?
Matías.
The foul is thrown away.
Paradito, bien sacado.
That guy can't throw.
Over the head.
Vamos, Alejandro.
Hey, yo, what's so nice?
Come on, man.
Alejandro.
Azules, son de ustedes azules.
Benji, you can't put your hands out. Shoulder.
Arriba. Enfrente.
Vamos, Diego, hasta arriba.
I'm sorry, Nick. Go, ref. Aiden, Brian. Right mid, lefty. Right. Go, guys.
Vamos, Alejandro.
What the J?
Diego, pégale tú. Diego.
Matías.
Go. Alejandro.
Matías.
Hold it.
Vamos, Diego. Salte, Matías. Vamos, Diego.
Go, Cyrus. Nick, talk.
Alright, you guys gotta help. Come on.
Ronnie, take it. Let's find a switch to Nick. Get up.
Buscando, Matías.
Good job, Ronnie.
Rápido, Matías.
Ansar, where are you? Ansar! We got two, Ansar. Yago!
Vamos, Matías.
Hey, offside.
Ansar, buddy. You gotta play your position back there. Get open. Good job, Ansar. Look at the ball.
Vamos, Gator.
Good, Cyrus.
Drop.
Go, Nick.
Alan, de este lado.
Vamos, Gator.
Someone to play defense.
Go. Send it. Alright, go on. Hit the face. Hit your face.
Vamos, Matías.
Okay, you guys come here. I'll see you.
Ayuden, Alan.
Good job,
Yes,
Thiago.
Thiago. What's the signal?
Creo que dicen bien, ¿eh? Nada de publicidad. Vamos, guys!
Come on, outside. We need you to get that.
Recorta, recorta, tira.
Going right.
Buena, buena, Alan.
So, bro. Benji, Ronnie, Andre.
Gustavo, take a break.
10 minutes. Right minute. Nick, can you go play left D for me?
Alan, ¿estás bien?
Up. Onside, up.
Vamos para arriba, bien.
Good ball. Take him.
Para mí. Eso, Alan. Ahí, atrás, guys, atrás.
Atrás, Alan.
Beat him.
Eso, vamos, vamos.
Watch it.
Yes, you ready,
Now
sir?
watch it. Go, go,
Guys. No se quedan parados.
Good job, Cyrus.
Vamos, métete. Alejandro.
Cyrus, good effort. Onstar wide. Thiago, you take it. Hey, boys, 3 minutes left. 3 minutes.
Yeah, nice. Get off.
Vamos, Matías.
Muéralo.
¡Golazo!
Onstar, we need a little more effort.
Jinx Thiago.
You gotta try, buddy. You gotta try. He can't just go right by. You gotta try harder. Thiago, good try.
De este lado. Vamos, guys.
Go, Cyrus. Go, Eddie, go.
Ayuden, guys. Ayuden ahí.
Get rid of it, Ryan. Get rid of it. Unlucky, Ryan.
Vamos, Diego.
It was Ryan, not Mateo.
Abrace, guys. Vamos.
Turn around.
Guys. Vamos, Anderson. Vamos a sacar los bichos, Anderson. Para arriba.
Nick, middle.
Para arriba, Anderson.
He's outside.
Vamos, guys. Buena, Alejandro.
Aiden, will you switch it on, sir?
Anderson. Buena, buena jugada.
I know, right? So sad. 5 days after my birthday.
Vamos, guys.
Yeah, my birthday's first.
Yeah, Ansar, go.
Hale's birthday's first.
Good idea, Ansar. Nice pass. Go, Cyrus. Ryan, you gotta put a little angle to it, right? Go, Ryan.
Vamos, Alan. Mándala.
Oh, you want it? Ansar, you tired?
Vamos.
Nick, let's go, Nick.
Vamos, Jair.
I don't want you to score. Yes, Thiago. Next time, don't
Play. Go, Ryan, all the way across. Run all the way across. Keep going, Ryan. Keep going. Call for the switch, Ansar. Call for the switch. Stay there, stay there. Ball to the switch.
Hit it.
Vamos, guys.
Nick, take it.
Aiden. Alan, voltea
All-star,
con Alan,
All-star,
voltea
go
con
get a
Alan.
goal. Nick, hit the cross.
Atrás, Alan.
Alan, go.